businesses.
A Rock Island business is establishing quite a niche, serving clients locally and nationwide. Fran Riley discovers what's brewing at the Crawford Company.
This is primarily the beginning stages of the beer making process. What we're looking at here is a 15-barrel brew house.
Keith Gerks is manager of the brew division at Crawford Company.
They all are part of a spoke in a big wheel.
11 employees work in the brewing equipment side of the business, making food-grade stainless steel fermenters and tanks. For microbreweries, at times working the inside.
We can't have pits and crevices and welds. Everything's got to be smoothed out.
And smoothing the outside. This is the main fabrication division where workers cut, form, and weld the materials manufactured here.
We've taken care of the design, the fabrication.
Making sure the equipment measures up.
For everything we fabricate, we will physically pressure test it, leak test it, electrically test it.
Crawford Company started making brewing equipment 6 years ago. President Ian Frank says the cost can be several $100,000.
It's a big investment. Actually, for the microbreweries, buying the equipment is one of the biggest things they're going to do.
The company has local clients offering Cherry Blonde and Davenport Gold.
Our first installation ever was actually at Front Street Brewery in Davenport. And then we have Green Tree Brewing in LeClaire and Wake Brewing in Rock Island.
Tapping into businesses here and elsewhere.
Just recently, we've shipped a job to Boston, Massachusetts. We have a job that's getting ready to ship to Philadelphia.
In Rock Island, Fran Riley, KWQC, TV-6 News.
Still to come at 6.